Friends, and welcome in the another episode of DIY Master. And in this video I'm going to explain you how you can fix the rain visor in your Maruti Suzuki Alto. As you can see, we don't have rain visor, and we have already bought it from the retail market, and now I'm going to fix it. So the first thing which you need to keep in your mind before fixing it, that the surface must be clean, and if any mark or any stain or any remaining of previous rain visor, you must have clean it. And the second thing is it must be dried. So it is recommended to paste that rain visor in a sunny day. So that's the reason why we have done most of the things which is required for pasting of rain visor, but we will wait till the sunshine in any morning, or maybe in afternoon or in the evening. So then I will explain you what is the best method to paste rain visor in your car. After a whole day we have waited, just because in the morning the weather condition was little wet, so we have postponed our pasting activity till now. So now we are going to paste it. The first thing which we need to do, again, we just need to clean that whole pasting area from the petrol once more, like that. So guys, we have completed our cleaning work. Now it's time to paste the rain visor. The first thing which we need to do, just remove the back paper of double-sided tape. There is a sticker on every rain visor, like as you can see, this is front left, so we are in the left side of front door, so we will put that rain visor on the same side, as like we will do the same thing with the other one. Now it's time to remove the thin shield of double-sided tape. Our first rain visor is pasted successfully. You can see we just need to maintain the gap between the door and the outer edge of the rain visor. So this is completed. Now we will paste the left rear one. We will paste, as we paste the rain visor, we will pull that sticker, so that by that way we will able to paste it in exact. After pasting from the front side, we need to open the door and press it like that, so that the double-sided tape can get its maximum strength. Now the fourth and last one, right rear side. Keep one thing in your mind while pasting both the rain visor, that the level of both the door must be equal, so it looks good. Okay. So this is how we can able to paste rain visor at our own home with the help of few tricks. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Thank you very much for watching us.